Are you also tired of sending blurry, not so clear documents to your friends? Do you also want the documents to be crisp, clear, and improve the quality? So just take a photo with Scanopy and an application will take care of the rest. While there are so many document scanners available in the market, our Scanopy is one level up than the others. Scanopy turns your smartphone camera into a document scanner. All that the user has to do is open the application and he will enter into the world of whole new features which will make his or her life much easier.
Certain existing document scanning applications store important user data on servers abroad. There have been certain reports of data leaks. Everyone knows about Indian government's recent ban on Scam Scanner, a China-based document scanning app which was being widely used.
Seeing the current solutions like Kaga Scanner and Adobe Scan, the main problem associated with these type of apps is that the charges on the services they provide to their customers. Now these services are basic necessities for the customers who use them on the daily basis, and charging them for these services only is very unfair to the customers. Now comparing to their UI interface, their UI interface is so much complicated for the first time user that it makes the very impossible work for the users who use them for the first time and hardens their work by a lot more times, and which is for no use for the new customers. Also, if the new users are provided with the free subscription model of these apps, the main problem with these free subscription model is that they provide the less number of functionalities and services to the users, which does not provide a lot more work for the customers who use them for the daily basis.
Not only the privacy issues, but there were some features which we wanted to add which were missing in existing document scanning, like the functionality of a QR code. Also, the automatic cropping features were sometimes not accurate and there were only limited filters available for the users to use. Our application Scanopy values user privacy and will never store or use the user data in any other purpose. All document related activity will happen locally on the user.
These problems faced by the users led to the need of a document scanner which can scan the document, automatically crops the unnecessary information and improves the quality by applying various filters and image enhancement techniques, and even share them among various social media platforms.
Scanopy is different from other applications as it has features including OCR and QR code scanner which other apps does not have. Rather than having different application for these features, we combine these features into one.
So after figuring out all the problems which are faced by the users, Team Technogis decided to develop a document scanner of their own and named it Scanopy.
When the user first opens the Scanopy application, 4 icons are presented in front of him: camera, gallery, barcode QR, and card scanning OCR. When the user clicks the camera icon, he is presented with a window to capture a live image. Upon doing so and confirming the image, the user will be headed towards cropping. The cropping will be done automatically, and the user will also have an option to do it manually if he wants to select some particular information, as we will display the cropping borders. Then the user will be directed towards the image enhancements part and he can use various filters to enhance the image. Then finally, the user will click on the button to generate the PDF and create the document if required by him.
On clicking the gallery button, gallery open on the screen. You can choose any picture which you want to crop, and on clicking on the picture, auto cropper will be appear on the screen and you can even manually crop the picture. On clicking the button, you will be directed to the filter page, and from there you can choose any filter for your picture. After clicking on another button, it will convert the picture into PDF.
So in the QR code section, when the user taps on this functionality or the service, a scanner opens up requiring the permissions to access the camera. Once the permission is granted, user can scan any sort of QR code and barcode. Once the scan is complete, user can be redirected to the website associated with the QR code, and he can also check the authenticity of the products he used by scanning the barcode. User can be redirected to the n number of websites from this single service only, and also he can share the link by copying the link from the prompt available on his screen after the scan is complete to the different platforms and websites from this single service only.
Scanopy has a built-in OCR functionality which is used to extract all the text from the document. All that the user has to do is upload the document into Scanopy. The system will automatically crop it and then it will display all the text which is included in the document. The unique feature of our OCR is that it also has handwriting support and it can recognize handwritings, which is very important in day-to-day life. Here is the demo of the Android application into the Android Studio by using an emulator as a device to run the application. When the user clicks on the camera button, the camera of the device is opened, and on further acceptance of the permissions, the user is asked to click the photo. After that, the user needs to confirm the photo and proceed to the auto cropping zone. On clicking the next button, the image enhancement part opens. We have 4 filters, namely original, magic color, grey mode and black and white. On clicking on the save button, the image is saved into the gallery. The same process is followed when the user presses the gallery button. When the user clicks the QR code button, the camera of the device opens up and the user is asked to provide for the camera permissions. After successfully providing the camera permissions, the QR needs to be placed in front of the camera for the detection. After successfully detecting the QR code and the barcode, the application shows a dialog box which contains of 2 buttons. The first one is the visit. By clicking on the visit, the link will be opened into the web browser, and by clicking the OK button, the current QR will be deleted and the user can scan another QR code or barcode. When the user clicks the OCR button, the application is directed towards a new form. When the user clicks on the camera button, the camera of the device opens, is asked to click a photo for text conversion. The system asks the user then to confirm the photo and he further moves into the cropping mode. After successful completion of the cropping, the text is shown into an editable field in which the user can copy and the user copy and paste it to the required area. The same procedure goes for the gallery button. Currently the application is functional and the main aim which we had while developing the application was to resolve the privacy issues, and we were successful in it. Scanopy only saves the user data in the local storage of the device. We have designed a few more UIs and we will be updating them based on the customer reviews. We have also developed a set of new filters for image enhancement and it will make the user experience much better.
The application needs to be tested a few more times before we release it on the Play Store. Hence, we are looking forward to improve the application and make it more user-friendly. We will try to make our auto-cropping feature more accurate and enhance the quality of the image using various filters. Also, we will introduce a functionality to share the scanned document among various social media platforms. The UI, that is the user interface, will also be made more interactive and easier to use. We aspire to extend its usage to the web.
The tools and technology that we use to create our application are Android Studio for developing the application, Java, the programming language that is used in Android Studio, Adobe XD for designing the UI and generating its prototype, Git and GitHub for creating repositories and importing modules, Filmora for editing of videos, Google services, Lucid Flow and Lucidchart for making diagrams and Turnitin for plagiarism purposes. The future scope and goals of our project is to make our UI even more attractive, and we are planning to roll out new filters so that user can have variety for image enhancement, and we are also planning to allow user to send their documents over various social media platforms.
Our team will be highly focusing on adding the other user functionalities to make the app a one-go process. In this persona, we will also be working on improving the image quality and adding the features like auto cropping and much more. We will also be planning to tie up with the third-party apps so that we can use their services and providing our services to them in return for the potential growth and providing our customers a wide range of services and functionalities to use.
Device.